Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about what is the wipeout command actually is in AutoCAD. So basically, let's say you have a big plot area and then you have differently shaped your built up area, and just that after that you select hatch and you have selected the whole rectangle for creating the hatch. So now what actually the wipeout command actually does is that it actually clears out whatever part of the hatch that you want clear. So you just have to write the command wipeout and press enter, and then you just have to specify the points that there where you don't actually want the hatch to be, and you just have to press enter and it will and the wipeout command will tell the software to clean the hatch from that specific area. So if you want something like that, then wipeout command is a great thing that can help you do that. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.